Are you struggling to find that sweet rim click sound in the heat of the moment? Are your rim clicks sounding weak, timid, or not cutting through the mix? Well, stay tuned for this awesome 1-minute drum tip brought to you by yours truly. Step 1. Find a snare drum and put it on the snare drum stand. Step 2. Find a Sharpie. Step 3. Find a drumstick, preferably the model that you use most consistently. Step 4. Locate the best, awesomest sounding rim click sound that you can find on your snare drum and keep your hand there for Step 5. Step 5. Mark as shown. For an added bonus feature, you can take the time and find the ultimate sweet spot of your snare and mark that location as well, so you could always have a consistent snare sound. Now you can transition back and forth between a rim click sound and a snare sound in the heat of the moment. Like and follow me for more 1-minute drum tips.